Yo, what's good? It's Maya Bands. Welcome to the channel. Tonight we're gonna be trading the 10K FTMO challenge. I've already started it. I hadn't planned on streaming it, but you know, while I was doing my shorts for the channel, the idea crossed my mind. I was like, why not stream the challenge live? So here we are, and I look forward to taking this journey with you all. I have started off in some drawdown, but that's okay. We'll see how the London session goes. Hopefully, I can come out of that by the end of the stream. Let's get to it. See, I'm already in Bitcoin and the US 30. And those haven't taken off. Those are some of my more long-term positions. I'm not scalping those. Took those positions a while back. I'm just waiting on those to start moving. But I am going to be scalping gold tonight. So hopefully chart gods treat me well. Get some movement going. Alright, let's get straight to the charts. Alright, so with me, I always look at the daily. Let's look at the daily, see what's going on the bigger time frame. And wherever price is closest to, I will find that either if it's support or resistance, and I will drop a level there. Just so that I'm aware, just in case during the session, during whatever session I'm trading, in case price gets close to it, I know that, hey, here's the daily level. I should be paying attention. Turn down that. Let me see. I think that's better. There we go. I don't want the music to overpower my voice. I hope it's not. I think that's good right there. Alright, cool. Wait. Let me see, where am I at? Ah, there we go. You have to bear with me, I'm still learning this streaming stuff, so it'll get better. The transitions and whatnot, and making sure I have like cameras on and all that. Alright, let's get to finish marking on the chart. Alright, so like I said on the daily, anytime I'm looking at anything, any chart, I'm always looking at always check out the daily, see where, so if the daily doesn't make sense, I'll hop up to the weekly, but it's making sense right here. Price broke through this area of resistance, came back. It's retesting on the daily. So we have this pull up. We have the inside candle right there on the daily, so we might be seeing a reversal from that area and a push down. So I just want to keep that in the back of my mind as I'm trading on the lower time frames. I'm always going to do top-down analysis as well, just to see, you know, where price is at, if it's at any higher level, or sorry, higher time frame levels or areas of value, whatever you want to call them, support, resistance, whatever. I think everybody has their own lingo to an extent. So we got that daily area right there. I mean, sorry, 4 hour. Alright, let's bust it down to the 1 hour. I'm gonna use a box in this area right here because we have that wick to candle area. Missed that good entry while I was setting up the trade. I'm not gonna lie, I kept looking at it, but I was trying to get the trade going. I mean, get the stream going. I would have took that buy, I'm not even gonna lie. But, oh well. It's okay. Next time. Next trade. Alright, so we have established the hour support area. So we have this hour support. And then we have this 4 hour level, so we're going to pay attention to that. Be wary of those zones while we're trading the lower time frames. Let's get to these scalping zones. Definitely have area right there. Please use a keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. Currently, keyframes are not being buffering. Current keyframe frequency is 8.3 seconds. Note that and cause scribble pictures. Man, well, you know what? I'm gonna have to figure that out later. Cause I thought maybe just restarting my stream it would fix it, but obviously not. I've never gotten that error before, and I've streamed before on YouTube with the same. So I'm going to have to figure out what's going on with that. But stream settings, maybe? Let's see. I don't know. I'm going to figure it out, though. I'll figure it out. But now I want to pay attention to these charts. We'll just keep moving forward, and I'll figure out this streaming stuff, and I'll look at the footage afterwards. I don't want to stay too distracted. Alright, cool. Thanks. Alright, so we have this 5-minute zone. We have this big push up, so we'll probably see a push back down. I might actually, let me see what I can. Risking $1.50 for with a 1 to 4.5 risk reward. Pips. I only risk 0.25 of my account whenever I'm taking a challenge. Oh, I start off with a 0.25 and then I normally will add in. That's how I take my my intraday trades, my swing trades. I think I'm just gonna risk 0.25% on each trade here. I'm only gonna take one trade each time. can risk a lot more. You know, there's some people that are like risk 1% if you win that, risk that. But this is how it works for me. You can do it how you please. Alright. Even with this small, let me see what the more conservative, what are we at? I don't know why I just don't do it right there. There we go. $1.50. Let's check out that 1 minute. Let's see what's going on. Oh yeah. Alright, let's see if it goes in our favor. Let's get it going. 25. Alright, we can take a 25. Let me get the stop loss in 1852. Alright, we in. We got gold right there. Get the trade going right there. Got into the sell. See how it treats us. Make sure I got that stop loss in. I realized I didn't hit modify. And the US 30 just been sitting right there. Bitcoin just been sitting right there. While we're waiting to see if this gold trade plays out, I think I'm gonna look at those charts real quick. I'm in a swing or intraday trade with both of those swing trades, whatever. More of a long term, long term position on those trades. Let's check out Bitcoin. Okay, I don't know, man. It's been just chilling right here for the past couple days. I'm trying to see what's gonna come down. My take profit is this area right here. Well, first take profit. I'll take some profit. If it breaks that area, then I'm looking to catch it down here. Well, looking for it to come down to that area. Somewhere down here. Somewhere in this zone right here. But it's gonna have to break below that 20, basically 21.5 area. Right where I have this pink level at. It's a support area. It's pink support area. I use colors, so sorry if that. I don't know. It just, that's how I look at charts. I know it's different from pretty much everybody I think I've ever seen. But yeah, I use colors. I like using colors. It's how I look at charts. It works for me. So everything's pretty much like color coded. Like I know this is a 1 hour. I know this is my daily. I know this is a 4-hour zone. This right here is a daily zone. Actually, it's more of a that 25 is more of a psychological zone that I have up there. But yeah, still a daily. But yeah, looking at this 4 hours, just chilling still. US 30. We got this 4-hour resistance area. Trying to see if it's going. Cause that was a heavy push. That was a lot of volatility pushing up to this area. And usually when there's a lot of volatility like that, it usually come back down. That's what happens with a lot of traders though. Well, and I can say it happened with me a lot. The psychological side to day trading is probably the biggest challenge when it comes to day trading. But anyway, I would get so irritated with situations like this until I learned how to trade it. Like for instance, I would get into these. For instance, I would see this. And I'm like, all right, I'm gonna get into the buy right here, right? Boom, get into the buy. It'll pull all the way up, and I'd be like, fuck yeah, man. And this is whenever I first started. I'd be like, fuck yeah, I'm in the buy. I'm in the money. And I'm like, all right, cool, I'm gonna hold the trade. I'm good. I'm up. Then price will come all the way back down to about right here. Maybe even right here. Maybe even put me in the red. And I would be just sick. Just like, and it would happen to me so much. And I would just leave money on the table or whatever the case may be. Leave money on the table, lose money. So I started understanding like, hey, once it hits them areas of resistance, take profit. And then you can look for the sell back down if you want. But just be wary that could be just a pullback, and pullbacks are sketchy to trade, I must say. So you want to be careful when trading those. However, I'm gonna look for it to at least come back down to this zone because of all this volatility. Look for it to come back down to here somewhere, and then I'll probably look for another. I'll look for a buy entry. A buy right there. For now, I'm in this sell. We'll see what happens. We do have this. Oops. That's the one tool that be. I like it, but it'd be annoying me. I like here if we're looking at the 4 hour, we got these reversal candles. We got this little guy. This little guy right here, man. Man, that little guy usually indicates, oh yeah, price is tumbling down. It's a little pin or a little hammer. It's not a doji, it's just like a little baby hammer. And then of course we have that hammer right there. Hammer right there, and this 4 hour just started, so I don't know. We'll see how it plays out. Look to catch a nice little amount of pips right here. So we'll see. I do stick to a 1 to 3 or more risk to reward ratio. I think that's where I got. Oops, wrong one. Thought I hit short. I am a strong believer that I mean, that's what works for me. That's what's proven when I started understanding risk to reward ratio. 1 to 3 is where it's at. You know, the math is on your side whenever you run a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. If you only take those and you have at least a 25% winning rate, like, you can be consistently profitable. You just have to stick to your rules and stick to that 1 to 3 risk to reward. But we have a 1 to 3 right here, so we good. Just waiting on this. Just waiting on those 2 trades to play out. I'm just in a little bit of drawdown on both of those. But that's how it goes when it comes to these like longer hold trades. They sit at your entry points for a while sometimes, and man, it takes some patience. But hey, I love it. So, oops. Let's pull those back up. Check ours. Boom, we in the money, baby. So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and bring my my stop loss down to my entry point because I don't want to risk losing no more money. I'm already down like 130 bucks, I think, somewhere around there. I can show y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and bring my stop loss to my entry point. Well, bring it to 1850. Alright, so if the trade doesn't play out, it will at least, I won't lose any money. I'll make like $1 or something, doesn't matter. But the important thing is that I won't lose any money. So we're up about $30 so far. I took a 0.25 lot size. I'm not trading very big lot size. I'm not going crazy. Whatever my stop loss provides, like I said, I don't be risking like crazy amounts. Normally my strategy, especially when I'm in the long term holds, I'll start off with risking 0.25 of my percent. I mean, my percent of my account, 0.25% of my account, and then I'll add up to 4 trades into that one pair that I'm trading, and that'll equal up to the full 1% that I'm risking, and just compound them like that. It's worked for me. I don't know if it's gonna work with the scalping because scalping is so like you gotta be like in them. So scalping, I'm gonna figure out a strategy and approach it a little bit differently. Maybe I'll get more comfortable with risking those higher lot sizes, especially if my stop loss is within reason. Your stop loss is going to determine, what lot size you're using and how much you're willing to risk. So, maybe I'll be willing to risk a little bit more, scalping. I don't know. We'll see. Just so that the scalping will be worth it. So yeah. That's what we doing. I feel like I should be like playing a game or something while I'm streaming. Cause I mean, there's not really I guess I could hunt for other, instead of only trading gold, I could look for other pairs to scalp. Could do that, I guess. Yeah. But also my margin level, cause Bitcoin, man, I'm not gonna lie. Bitcoin is so heavy on the margin for the FTMO. And all I have is a 0.10, and man, it's like took all my, like if I was to close that trade, you'll see like I'll have way more free margin to use. But yeah, that Bitcoin holds a lot for the FTMO. They're not playing about that Bitcoin. So you gotta really pay attention when you're trading it with the FTMO account. Really be careful. By the way, I am trading a swing challenge. I like the swings. I feel like the rules are a little bit more lax, and that's how I trade anyway. So I was like, all right, bet. I'm already more of a swing trader than a scalping. So, and day trader, more of a swing intraday trader. Alright, let's see what pairs we can get into while gold plays out. Maybe GBP USD. Let's check out GBP USD, see if we can catch some pips on GBP USD. Let's get it. So we're looking at the daily. Like I said, I always start off on the daily time frame. I kind of want to bump it up. I want to see what's going on with the weekly, because daily is a little bit jumbled. We got a lot of like little noise going on right here, so I just want to kind of see what's going on right here. Okay, so we have this zone right here. I think that's a pretty good zone. Alright, so now we got that daily zone. Alright, let's go down to the 4 hour. Alright, let's go down to the 4 hour. Sorry, I be zoning out sometimes. Alright. Alright, we got that area right there. Drop it down to the 1 hour. Looks like price is trying to come check this area right here, possibly. So we got that. The candle closes to the wick right there. We got this 15-minute time zone right here. Alright, so we have this 15-minute area of resistance that price just broke. On the 15-minute, we got this big Mariposa. Price broke through, price shot up. Like I said, it's probably going up to test this 1 hour area. So we got this zone, yeah. If this doesn't hold as support now, it's gonna come back down to this. We're gonna look for a trade to come down to that area. Look for a sell. But if not, we're gonna wait patiently. We're gonna look for the sell in this zone. Alright. I don't need that right now, so I'm gonna take that off. Oh, wait, you know what? I am gonna put that on. I'm gonna leave that on. I don't like having too much on my chart because there's already too much on my chart because I'm scalping. Where's that zone at? Let me see. Yeah. I'll go ahead and just push it up to about right there. Alright. So we got those 15-minute areas that the 15-minute area zone that price just broke out of. It's probably going up to that 1 hour area. Let's check out the 5-minute. Let's see what's about to go down. Hop down to that 1 minute. into the zone. So it's probably gonna come back down. Alright, cool. Let's back up to that 5 minute. Let's see. I'm still gonna wait a little bit. I'm gonna wait to see if it pulls back up to this little. That's where my stop loss is going. Ah, moving too slow, moving too slow. Come on, come back up there, come back up there. I'm gonna set it up just in case it's ready. 20674, 20674. You're risking 20 pips. I can. Can take a say 15. I can take a 15. I'm gonna risk $50 on this. I'm gonna risk 0.5% on this one. Oh shit! Oh mother. Well, we in there. I didn't mean to get in there, but we in there now. So. There's, well, shit. I did not mean to actually, like, hit the button. I'm gonna have to get used to, like, streaming and day trading at the same time. Normally, I'm just so used to, like, focus on my day trading, being hyper-focused on that, but I do not like that I just did that by accident. So, I don't know if I should just take the loss on it, or... Yeah, I did not mean to tap that. I didn't even check out the risk to reward or not that. God damn it. Oh, well. We're gonna stay in it because whatever. I mean, I was looking for a sell anyway, but I just wasn't quite ready to put. So we'll see if it'll fall into some money so that it's not. But anyway, we'll see. I'm about to look at the risk reward and we'll see if we're gonna keep it. But anyway, I mean, so yeah, we definitely in there. Up on gold, about 20 bucks. Let's see, I can add, what is this? This GBP USD? It is. Oh, we got GBP USD right here. I don't want it to look like that. I want it to. Nope. My bad. There we go. Make these ones that I'm like actually in right now. Make these a little bit bigger. look at this accidental trade that I got in. Not necessarily too much accidental, but like I had already. I mean, I know the risk, just by looking at the risk reward is fine, but still. I probably could have got a better entry. Take profit 1. Woo! Yeah, see, I could have got a better entry. As soon as it moves into my favor, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that take profit down. I mean, take profit that to about right there. Man, I did not want to get into it, but I mean, it's still 2.42, so that's not that bad. I'm not gonna whine too much. But yeah, once this starts coming into, falling into my favor, if it does, I'll adjust my stop loss. That was booty. I'm like debating, since I'm in the green, should I just close it out, since I wasn't like fully prepared to place that trade yet. We're leaving it, we're rocking it. Whatever, it is what it is. And we're risking $50 on this. I didn't even talk to myself about this. It's alright. Well, we in GBP USD. Alright, we're very close to our margin level percent. I am margin a lot. Yeah, with the swing account, we I think it's what, the 1 to 50. I don't even remember what it is, but whatever. So can't risk as much on this one. But I mean, I know how much I'm exposed in the market, so it's not like I'm gonna margin call or anything. So I'm not even close to, like, I'm barely risking total. We got 50 right there, 35, that's 85. Like 1.8%, 1.5%, something like that. That I'm risk total in the market, that I'm exposed in the markets right now. The reason why I'm leveraged so high is because of that one Bitcoin trade. It's actually starting to fall into my favor now, so hopefully it does. We'll see. Alright, so we're in a scalp for gold and Bitcoin. So far they are taking off. We'll see how they go, see if they can keep falling in my favor. They fell some, so I know they're gonna retrace a little bit. To be honest, I don't know what that is, and I want to know what it is, so I'm gonna have to YouTube that later. Yeah, I don't really know what that is. I've never seen that pop up before. It's definitely something new. Oh well. I hope the stream is at least a little bit decent. So, yeah, because I mean, I've streamed before on YouTube quite a few times. So, I don't know. Okay, gold. Okay, gold. We up. GBP USD showing us some love too as well. I'm going to go ahead and adjust my stop loss on the GBP USD. so we don't lose any money. 20451. Alright, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. And we up about $100, so we are up 1%. Excuse me. We are up 1% on the account. Well, my bad. Excuse me. We are not up 1%. We are up 1% for the day. Of 10,000. We need $50 more to be back to break even. So that 1 point, yeah. So basically, I lost 1.5%. I'm not sure. Am I looking at my percentages right? Even though I wasn't that comfortable with that GFUSD, I was really looking. The reason why I wasn't as comfortable was I was looking for that for a slightly better entry. But I mean, hey, we got in and it still worked out. But normally I wouldn't do that. But I am happy that the trade worked out. So both trades currently. Now let's check out that 15 minute. Let's see what's going on. I like to look at the once trades start falling in my favor when I'm scalping. I like to see. I do like to bump it up, see what the candles are looking like on the higher time frames. Just to see, like, should I continue to hold it past my like for instance, should I hold it past this 1 hour? Possibly, because price just left this 4 hour. This is why I do the top-down analysis. Price just left this 4 hour zone. Price could be coming down to this area. So me getting into this sell was actually a pretty good idea, but we just have to see if it's going to break below that that 1 hour time frame. This is where I can start trailing the stop loss. Start paying attention. If price breaks up, so here we have this zone right here. So we go down to the 1 minute. We can clearly see that that is definitely a zone where price has been going in between those zones. So I actually might go ahead and take a little bit of profit off of that. I'm debating. Probably that 1 minute as an inside candle right there. But I want to see if it's gonna, if this, I'm gonna take this off just so I can focus on what I'm looking at. Yeah, because I want to see if this zone is gonna hold. This zone, this purple support that, or is it just gonna do the same thing it just did right there and bounce and pull back up? Which that's what it's kind of looking like. Let me see. Let me check that 5 minute. Oh yeah, for sure. If this 5 minute closes within, this is an inside candle. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this gold trade, and then I'm just gonna wait to see if it either comes down to this level or goes back up to there. I'm not gonna re-enter again. We got 2 minutes left in the 5 minutes, so let's see what happens. Sit through the two of the 1 minute candles. See what goes on. Big old push up. Yep, 5 minutes should have what? Yep, we got 1 minute left in that 5 minute. We got this wick area. I'm just waiting to see if it'll at least come back in down to this area. I think that's what's gonna happen. Alright, so we got 50 seconds left in this 5 minute candle to see what's gonna go down. If this 1 minute, we got 30 seconds left. If this 1 minute closes below here, below this area, I'm staying in. If it closes below here, I'm staying in. But it has to close below there, which it doesn't look like it is, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and I may not take profit, depending on how this 5 minute closes out. Because if it closes out like that, then that's not a inside candle. If it closes within that wick, oh yeah, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out. Take my little $80 profit, $79.50, something like that. Because it may come back, retest this, and then take off back up. So, yep. Alright. Cool, let's check out GBP USD. I am out of gold. We might have left some money on the table, but I do not care. We'll see what happens. It was a nice little $80 win to start the stream off nice, the live off nice. GBP USD. Let's see. Alright, so GBP USD still currently falling. We're up about 50 bucks on that one. So here's the thing, if I can get Let's see what's going on because we got that zone right there, that 5 minute. If I could hit after these close, these close, this one closed it probably. If I could hit 9, let's just say 10, just for good measure, in case I lose some money or whatever. If I can hit 10 solid $100 trade, $100 profitable trades, $100 profit trades, I will pass the FTMO quick. I gotta get 10 of those and minimal losses. Considering I don't, I'm only risking. Right now, I'm approaching it how I would approach it to my intraday trades. So I'm basically risking point. I wouldn't say 0.25, about 0.30% of a. Yeah. So I'm risking. Yeah, let me break that because I'm messing up with my percentages. Let me do it in dollar amounts. So I'm risking anywhere from $25 to $35 per trade, up to, depending on how many trades I'm getting in on that one trade. If I'm taking multiple trades on one trade, one setup, I'll only risk up to $100. So 4 into one setup. But right now I'm only risking that $135, and I'm looking to make $100 on each trade. So if I'm making $100 on each trade, risking only $30 per trade, anywhere from 25 to $30 per trade. That's a 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio right there. As long as I have minimal losses, I can pass this challenge pretty quickly. Scalping. Hopefully I can pass it live, and then I'll go on to the verification and then get another FTMO account. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's see if this zone. Just gonna hold. I'm gonna check out gold real quick and see if I left any money up. See, it did exactly what I said. To come back down to that zone. Test it. I should have got into the buy from there. I don't know why I didn't. Maybe I can. I can get into a buy right there. That's all we doing, trading up and down anyway. Let's see how much we risking. Oof, $2. A $2. Nah, I'm too close to support to be. Well, I mean, I am taking a buy, so. But what I mean by I'm too close to support is that. So here's the thing. If I was looking at this, I would honestly, to feel safe to take this trade, get in right there for the buy, I would honestly want to get in. And my stop loss would have to go down there. So I'm going to wait on that one. And wait to see what happens. Because like I said, overall right now, on the higher time frames, price is in a downtrend. So I'm going to wait and see what happens here. Which it could come all the way back up here. Some people say, oh, you're missing money right there. You could, I'm not. I'm going to wait. I'm going to be patient. And I'm going to look for sell opportunities on here, which I could look for a sell opportunity here. Which this would give me a nice risk to reward ratio right here. It could. Yeah, that's only 75 cents. Looking forward to. Anywhere in these zones. Push it up to $1. But I think I'm gonna miss it. I could have held it and took another entry just about, but anyway. I don't know. Let's see what's about to happen. Yeah, cause see we had an inside candle. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna get in right here. I'm gonna wait patiently. that's me trying to sell into this resistance area. I mean, sorry, support area. See, because it's not quite resistance yet. Because we still like this 15-minute zone. I mean, 15-minute candle needs to like close up under here, and then that next candle needs to close up under here, and then I will consider this resistance. We got some time on that one. Cause see, what we do, we might see. We gotta see though. So it may hang out right here at this zone for a little bit, cause it's trying to make a decision. Like, yeah, I think it's gonna make a decision. Is it going to continue down, or is it gonna go up from here? If it goes up from here, it's gonna head back up to that area up there. We gonna see. Okay, doggy, you okay? I'm really sad that it says I don't know this keyframe frequency of force. I don't even know what that is. Like, I've never seen that on my stream status, ever. And I've been streaming, I've streamed Twitch, I've streamed YouTube. I've never seen that before. Now I have an excellent connection. I don't understand. It's like going from like excellent to poor. I don't know. I don't know why it's doing that, but I am gonna find out why, so I can make sure my streams are better. All right, let me get back on GBP USD while I'm sitting here, because I was not paying attention. Oh. Let me delete that. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and close that one out. It's probably gonna pull back up to here, to my entry zone, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that out, close that profit. But we have brought our account back up. Well, my account, I should say. Close out those. So we had two good little scalping trades right there. Two little decent scalping trades. Brought the balance back up to 99.93. So our equity's still low, but that's because I have those long-term trades still going. So waiting to see how those are gonna play out. I think for my first streamed about an hour now. I'm gonna go ahead and close it out. I'm gonna continue scalping for the rest of the night, but I want to give some full focus and actually work on this 10K account. And I want to find out why it keeps saying that my stream. Oh, drop frame rate, drop frames, 0. See, I'm looking at down here and it says it's fine on my OBS. I don't know, but I'm gonna figure this out. See, look, I'm glad I closed out those trades. See, yeah. man, price action is where it's at. Like, I have been day trading for a long time. I was not profitable for a very, very long time. Like, the first, like, 4 years. And I can only say that consistently profitable for the past year. I'm not exactly where, like, where my goals are, where I want to be. I haven't reached, like, one of my major goals, but I am headed that way, and it feels good to finally be there. But, like, it took a lot of, like, going through, like, so much noise and nonsense when it comes to learning how to day trade and learning Forex and stuff. And now it's like, I learned, like, I'm sorry, but price action, in my opinion, because I've tried so much and I've worked on everything. And you know what? Let me just say, for me, because I do know that, like, when it comes to day trading, it is person to person. It varies person to person what works for everybody. But price action just seems like the best way to go if you're going to be trading, if you're going to be looking at charts, strictly day trading. It just cuts out so much noise, you know, so many other bias and opinions, you know. It's just you and the charts. I think that's what I love most about price action. Once you get your psychological side under control, then boom, you're really in there. That was my biggest struggle, was my psychological side. I think I was going to talk about that a while ago. Oh, I did. Yeah, I talked about it a little bit earlier. Yeah, my psychological side. Like, I could read these charts. I could tell you where price is going, but I could not trade for shit. Could not trade. I could not stay in winning trades. I could not hold my trades. I could not, like, none of that. It was very, 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 very frustrating. But I've come a long way. You know, a lot more consistent with my profits. So, yeah. Here we are. Hopefully I can share some of that knowledge with everyone here. But I'm going to close it down for the night. I got those 2 good trades in, brought my account back to break even. I am gonna continue to trade for a little bit longer. Probably gonna check out the charts, look at them. But I'm gonna get a little bit of sleep, and then I'll be back on live next Monday. I don't know. I might, since I'm streaming the account, I might try to stream like a couple times this week. It just depends. I do like to focus, so, and this was just a rare last minute thing. I was like, you know, I might as well stream it. So I'm gonna see. I'm not 100% sure that though, if I'm gonna stream every day, every last part of this 10K challenge. So anyway, we'll see. But definitely I'll be back Monday for sure, if not. Alright.